Girl's got the hiccups. She's making a funny face with her lips. Ooh.
You think it's almost like something's gonna come up and it doesn't.
Yeah. It just goes away. She's got the best face right now.
Look at the pursed lips.
And she just farted.
Oh. So who knew that farts could be so cute?
Feel bad for her.
Well, I can feed her and then we can go to the store and one of us can just sit in the car.
Yeah.
So we would both like to get out, and I don't think I need to
Hey.
pick up like pads and stuff. Ooh, I'm glad that's on the. I'm glad that's recorded.
She's got a cute face.
Break my heart, hiccups. Let me upload those pictures.
Okay.
The other one.